Jonathan Darnell, Senior Economist here at Kemiex, the market intelligence platform for the global additives and ingredients industry. In our November monthly market pulse, a data-driven overview of the additives market and broader economy, we are highlighting the key developments worth keeping an eye on. Since mid-October, we've seen some renewed activity across vitamins and additives in general, though the picture is still mixed. After several months of price declines and destocking, some vitamins are beginning to firm as the year ends and new year contracting gets underway. Amino acids, however, remain under pressure with continued supply and yet more expansion plans continuing to emerge. In Europe, definitive anti-dumping duties on Chinese valine have been circulated to stakeholders, and final implementing regulation should follow shortly. In the US, the government is once again up and running, while markets are awaiting delayed data releases to gauge the economy's health. Meanwhile, several recent trade deals have provided some much-needed stabilization for global trade. For example, the one-year deal with China lowers the IEEPA tariffs from 20% to just 10%, easing costs for Chinese microingredients coming into the US, such as vitamins. However, China's macroeconomic environment remains challenging. Fixed asset investment in China is at its lowest point since the pandemic. Retail sales have slowed, and PMI indicators remain soft. For freight, global indices have weakened after several weeks of increases, and over the longer term, supply growth from new vessels and a return to the Suez Canal are expected to keep pressure on rates. And finally, in our monthly special, we explore how anti-dumping investigations can reshape trade flows, with the EU's case on Chinese lysine resulting in a rise of alternative suppliers like Korea and Indonesia. So if you want to stay ahead of these developments and access real market data, not just rumors, visit Kemiex.com or use the link below to subscribe to the monthly market pulse. Stay informed, stay connected, and stay ahead with Kemiex.